Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Larry G, the Forgotten Angler. Today I've got a simple fix for you for a little bit of a problem. Not a huge deal, but it happens. I have some temper boat seats in my John boat right here. See that? And my brother was here for a couple of days fishing with me. Came down from Boston. And while he was sitting in the chair swiveling around, he didn't realize that the snap strap that keeps the boat seat closed when you're traveling, so it doesn't go flying out and open up, it was underneath the seat, and he was swiveling on it, and it pulled right out of the fabric on the lower part of the seat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put snaps in both ends of this now. It's got to be repaired. I took the old snap out and shortened this up a little bit. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Here's an upper snap. Seat opens like this. We're going to keep that closed at times. And now underneath, this isn't a snap that gets used right here. Right here. The strap is sewn into the seat fabric right here. But when it got caught under the seat and he did some swiveling, it pulled the strap out. So it's got to get fixed, because I like all my stuff working the way it's supposed to. So we're going to do a simple fix. I'm going to show you what the deal is. First you go on Amazon, or whatever you prefer, and we're going to buy, look at this, you get 9 bazillion snaps. Make sure they're the right size, for like, whatever, $6 or something. You'll never use all these in your lifetime. And then it comes with the tools to bang them into place too, okay? So a little punch tool. This is kind of a backing tool for that. And then you've got female and male snaps. So we're gonna fix that and put them on this strap, and then we'll be able to close our seat back up and have it secured the way it's supposed to be. So let's get to it. Okay, so we've got our punch tool. Let me grab a hammer real quick. Old school hammer. And we are gonna, so you've got 2 pieces to each fixture. This is gonna go on the outside. That's the shiny snap button right there. That's gonna go on the outside of the strap, which is face down right now. We're gonna push that through, and then we're gonna take the part of the snap that's gonna snap onto the existing male piece, and we're gonna put that right on top like that. I'm going to put all this on top of my little punch plate, and then we are going to punch this and spread it. And make sure that that's going to spread properly. Yeah, it's starting, so let's... Okay, so that's attached, as you can see, and that's going to snap right here, like so. That's on there, but I have to put one on the other end here. So let's do that. I'm going to put a hole, punch a hole right here, and then we'll put our other snap in there. Okay, so I've got an awl here, and I'm gonna run that through the fabric. And that's going to be my hole for the snap right there. Got it? Run that through both sides. Make sure that's going to be a big enough hole to get the snap through. There we go. That should work. Auger that out a little bit more. All right, so same procedure. Going to take the button that's got the post on it right here. We want that on the outside because both these snaps are going to be on the same side of our fabric. And let's see if I can get I may have to make this bigger, this hole bigger, so I can get this through. Yeah, okay. Bear with me. We'll get her done. Get the male part of this snap. Again, it's going to be on the same side. And we're going to push that through the hole. See if we can get that. There we go, it's coming. All right, so we've got that through. Same procedure. Now you don't, when you're tapping this through, you don't have to, or when you're spreading this, you don't have to hit it really hard. That's pretty good, but it's loose, so I want to tap that so it opens up more and holds that in place a little better. That's good. That's better. But I'll show you the final product. So now you can see spread and in place, boom and boom. Okay. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take our strap and we're going to snap it in place like so. Close up my million snap deal. Okay, so we've got that on, and then this is going to snap here. With any luck, there we go. Okay, so we're good to go again. So now when I'm traveling, my seat can't open. All right, and I could have even made this a little tighter. I could do that in the future, but for now I'm good. This is a good fix right here. So that's how you install your new snaps on anything, actually, and we're good to go. Anyway, I hope that video helped you out. If so, leave a comment in the comment section. If you do it a different way, let me know. And always like the videos if you like them, and please subscribe to the channel. The channel is growing. I'm up to almost 2,400 subscribers. I thank all of you for checking in and checking out the videos. And we'll be back with some more problem solving and fishing soon, right here on Forgotten Angler. You guys have a great day. See you on the water and the sand. I'm out.